Hi, boys and girls. Well, we have another book all about life in a pond. So we're going to take a look at what are some creatures that call a pond home. So let's take a look at life in a pond. I already see one form of life on there, and then I see plant life as well. So this book is written by Carol K. Lindeen. So let's take a look at life in a pond. Big long book here. Here's my title page with more plant life on a pond. And it says living in a biome. Biome is like a habitat. Table of contents. What are ponds, pond animals, pond plants, and living together? Glossary, read more, internet sites, and index word list. What are ponds? A pond is a small body of still, shallow water. So there's our landform of a pond, a shallow, still body of water. Ponds are found in many parts of the world. Ponds form in forests, on farms, and in cities. Ponds are smaller than lakes. I can tell that this pond is most likely in a forest. I wonder if this is a forest park. That would be interesting. Pond animals. Many kinds of fish swim in a pond. Fish breathe through, who remembers? That's right, gills. And we can see his gills right here. Ducks swim in the water. They eat insects. Ducks also dive underwater to look for food. And that's why they have a sharp, raspy bill, which can scrape algae and moss off of rocks. Frogs kick and swim in the water. Frogs eat insects. Those poor insects seem to be at the bottom of many of our food chains. Pond plants. Water lilies grow in ponds. Their leaves float on the water. Their flowers bloom. Some very pretty water lilies. Cattails grow in ponds. A cattail is a plant with a fuzzy brown tip. The tip looks like a cattail. So if you look really closely, it does. It looks like a fat, round cattail. Sunlight shines through shallow pond water. Sunlight reaches plants that grow on the bottom of the pond. And that's how we get that algae and moss growing under there. Living together. Many plants and animals live together in ponds. Animals find food in ponds. Plants need pond water to grow. Ponds are full of life. It almost looks like these two are having an evening chat about what they're going to do. Then here's my glossary, my read more, and my internet sites. So now you have some more information about life in a pond. So scroll on down and find out, what is your assignment to do with ponds today?